Hello crafty friend, it's Justine. Today I am so excited because I get to use the beautiful Daffodil frame die from Simon, Hurley, and Spellbinders. I have not assembled it yet, but I just kind of put things where they belong. And then I'm also using the Modern Stripes Glimmer Plate, which is just so pretty. And it really is just like it says, it's modern and there's stripes. And then I'm also finishing off my card with a beautiful sentiment. Oh, that is so pretty. I think that's the Moon Dust Hot Glimmer Foil, and this is, the sentiment is part of the must-have sentiments. And they're definitely must-have sentiments. I have a whole box of them on my desk here, and they're just wonderful. So go ahead and check those out as well. Let's start assembling. I'm going to start with assembling my daffodil right away and just kind of layer these up. Now I die cut everything out with white cardstock. I think I used the Nina cardstock because with Copic markers that paper does work well with Copic markers. And then I went ahead and just added some Copic coloring on the parts that are going to be showing, like the leaves and the flowers. Behind the flowers, I did leave those white because they will not be showing anyway, and I just figured that it wasn't necessary. But I really like this daffodil die. It does make an elegant looking flower piece, and it really doesn't look like anything else that Spellbinders has had in the past, so I think that it's kind of fun to get something unique and kind of something fresh, perfect for spring. We'll add those flowers right down there. For colors, I'm pretty sure I used Y04 for the back part of the flowers here, and then for the like yellowy orange part, I used Y15 just to kind of work with this paper behind the frame, which is that which is Spellbinders paper as well. I will link that in the description. I cannot remember the name of it now, but it's one of the new papers that came out recently, and same with this yellow paper here is a Spellbinders paper as well. Now there are some white parts that are sticking out, and I'm just gonna go with it. I'm not really going to be too fussy about that, and the golden parts will get covered, help cover up some of that as well, so that's just fine. Oh dear, did I lose a piece? It's on my finger. Okay. How fun is this release though from Simon? I think that he and Spellbinders have done a really nice job making something kind of more floral, and definitely perfect for this beginning of summer and spring time. I think that it is just wonderful, and I've made a few cards from his collection already, so if you're interested in checking those out, go ahead on my channel. I did pair a couple of his dies with some stitched elements and some other glimmer plates. So I kind of tried to be creative and use what's in the collection, but also kind of shop my stash as well, which is kind of like what I always kind of like to do, because I think it's fun to try the new products, but I also like to go back to what I have and just work with what I have to use it in different ways and just be creative that way, because why not? Oh, that is so pretty. This would make a really nice little bookmark too. I don't know if people are into making bookmarks, but you know, why not? If you have some ribbon, I think that would look really nice on the top of that. I think people should read more, but maybe that's just the teacher and me talking. Okay. Now these modern stripes are super fun to glimmer with. I just kind of made a ton of them, and I didn't really stop, so well, I eventually stopped, and it's not like I just kept doing it forever, but I definitely made at least 20-25 foils with the stripes because I knew that I would be using them in future projects, and I just love the way that they look. So I just had to keep making more. Alright, I'm going to put down some foam on the back of this piece just to give it some dimension. And now that I have my foam on, I'm going to put my daffodils kind of off to the side here and just put it in kind of justified on the left. Then I'm going to have my sentiment thank you overlap a little bit, but also come off of the project. And I think I'm going to have it split after the N, maybe in the middle of the N. So then I think I'll use my tweezers just to make sure it's nice and straight, like so. And I think I'm going to have it go in this negative space here in between the foiling, kind of like that. I do think that I need a little bit of embellishment on this card just to finish it off. So let's see, should I do sequins, gems? What am I feeling today? I'm going to use these gems. They're from the Damask Daydream card kit from a long time ago at this point. I don't even know. Last year, the year before, don't know. But I really love these gems, and they were super generous with the amount that they gave us. So I have a lot left over, and I have some chunkier ones. So I'm going to go ahead and reach for some of those chunky ones because the daffodils are popped up. I think the chunky ones work well with that dimension. I'm going to put it over the foil. I know, over the foil. Ooh, that looks so cute. Okay, my too much brain is like more. But I'm gonna stop and refrain and restrain myself. And I am gonna pull out my Wink of Stella pen and hopefully get some juice out of it. It's almost done. And just kind of go over the dark yellow parts as a little bit of sparkle. Not over the whole thing. Again, that too much brain says more. Let's do more. No. Let's edit ourselves, you know? Okay. That is it for this card. I hope you love it. I hope you check out Simon Hurley's collection with Spellbinders. It's a good one. So let me know what you think of this card in the comments. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Hope you get to craft soon because it's wonderful. It's just the best. Anyway, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.